'Cause I'm every woman. It's all in me. Anything you want now, baby. That black love. That black girl magic. That's what that wig is. What's up, Diva? So today I will be reviewing a wig that I got from Donmily here off of Amazon. So they was nice enough to send over this wig. I'm going to show you guys what came in the box. I'm going to get into the details of the wig. And we're going to jump right into the tutorial. So in this box, you do get some lashes. I'm going to take it out the package so you guys can see. And these are the lashes. I think they're really pretty. I like how it comes packaged. You do get some wig caps. I actually just started wearing wig caps under my wigs, so this is going to come in handy. And your wig do come in the box. It do have some hairnet over it, as well as some tissue paper inside. And this is how the lace is looking. That is the parting space of the wig. This is the curl pattern of the wig. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now this wig is an Afro Kinky curly synthetic wig, y'all. This wig is going to be really different for me because I never had this type or texture before. So I'm super excited to see how this goes. Now this wig is 16 inches and it is a Swiss lace front wig. So we're going to get inside the construction of the wig. You do have a comb in the nape area as well as some adjustable straps. You do not have a comb in the crown area, but you do have two combs on both sides, and this is the parting space of the wig. Now the wig do come in a natural 1B color. The wig do have just a faint smell to it. So I'm going to just wash this wig. I'm going to show you guys how I wash a synthetic wig, and we're going to go from there. Okay, so the items that you're going to need is you're going to need a bucket with some warm water in it. I am going to be using a very cheap bottle of detergent. I got this from Dollar Tree because I was not using my good stuff like my Gain and stuff like that. So I got a cheap bottle of laundry detergent, but I am going to be using my ORS Coconut Curls conditioner. I do not have any fabric softener on hand, so I am going to use this conditioner inside the water. So pretty much all I'm going to be doing is adding 1 cap of detergent. And I'm going to be adding a few squirts, about that much, of conditioner. And I'm going to just mix everything around with my hands like so. Now, even if this wig did not have a faint smell to it, I still would have went in and washed this wig. Because I just feel when you wash your wigs beforehand, it just performs, you know, the wig is just much better when you washing it. So I'm not going to rub this wig because this is a synthetic wig and I don't want it to get tangled. So I'm just going to dip it in the water like so. And I'm just going to let this wig soak in this water for 5 minutes because it is detergent. I do not want the wig to get stiff or anything like that. So I'm just going to just soak this wig in for 5 minutes and I'll be back. Come now, baby. You got that juice, honey. You got that juice. You got that juice, baby. You got that juice, just like Jasmine Matters said. You got that juice, honey. That self-love. That black love. That black girl magic. That's what that wig give me. Okay, ladies, so this is the final result. This is the final look that I came up with. Y'all, when I say this wig, it's not a put on and type of go situation. You ladies really have to sit down and customize this wig to your liking. Like, I can go in and customize this wig some more, but I know me, I get scissor happy, and y'all, I mess around and this wig is going to look like I'm coming to America with them let it so glow type of wigs. I ain't trying to have that, okay? Don't be afraid to brush the wig out. Don't be afraid to cut it. If you cut it and shape the wig the way you want, it's gonna turn out really, really cute. One thing I did notice about the wig is if you brush it too much, this wig can get really frizzy. One trick that I did was I took some Got To Be gel. I smoothed it on the hair and I just twined the hair around my finger, and that really did help. Other than that, that's all I really have to say about the hair. The hair don't really shed or anything to that nature. It is 16 inches and it is curly hair. So the hair up top is going to seem shorter than what the bottom look like. But like I said, if you ladies just frame it, you guys can do it. If you ladies just frame it, it will turn out really, really cute. When I first did it, I was like, I don't know if I want bangs. I don't know if I want a side part. So I was like, you know what? Let me just try something different. Like, this is really, really different for me. Like, really outside of my comfort zone, because I have never experienced a texture like this before. I'm actually glad that I went and tried something different because it's really cute. It is really cute. Now, this wig is not a wig that you ladies will want to wear in the summertime because your head is going to be hot. When I say hot, your head going to be hot, sis. So this is like a full winter type of wig. Another thing that I did notice, this wig is big head friendly, okay? I wish you guys would have seen how it looked as a side part, because when I actually pulled the wig down, literally the wig was sitting on my forehead and I was like, oh no, we're not doing that. This wig do have a very natural vibe going on. If I would walk outside today, you guys cannot tell that this is a synthetic wig. Yes, I said synthetic wig, and it only retails under $40. I'm going to put the exact price right here on the screen so you ladies can know exactly how much it costs, as well as all the information down below in the description box. So definitely go over and check that out. If you ladies want me to try something different like this, drop it in the comment section and definitely let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like this wig? Would y'all wear something like this? Is this too much here? Is it too big? Would y'all be afraid to try something different and rock this look? I hope you ladies enjoy this quick little tutorial as well as unboxing. And if you did, don't forget to like this video as well as comment down below. It does help my channel out a lot. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later.